This will be a spacious living and dining area, a kitchen where you will get two parallel platforms. We have a first master bedroom that you can utilize as your guest. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Rainbow Life by Siddhi Ellora located in Kharghar. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right outside the sales office. And to my left is the actual road and the neighborhood of the project. To my right is the actual land parcel where the project will be constructed. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 1 acre that will have ground plus 1 of retail shops, then it will have 28 residential floors, and also the project will have ground plus 6 level of podium parking space. Also, you will get a natural pond view from the 3 BHK apartments. This project will have 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Now, talking about the amenities, this project has 45 plus amenities with half Olympic size swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, squash court, landscape garden, multi-purpose court, jacuzzi, mini theatre, co-working spaces, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Sector 37 Kharghar, from where Amandut metro station is only 500 meters away, Kharghar railway station is only 15 minutes drive, Taloja highway is only 5 minutes drive, upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport is only 30 minutes drive, and also you have school, colleges, hospital within 1.5 kilometers from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now, we are standing outside the 3 BHK of Rainbow Life. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 954 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get a digital lock on the door and you will get video door phone also provided in the flat. This will be a spacious living and dining area. As you can see, the living is very spacious. You can easily place a 3-way sofa, your center tables, and also customize your TV unit. You will also get full French windows with a balcony provided in the living. You can place swings, tea tables and tea chairs in the balcony. And also you will get lake view from this apartment. Over here, you will have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table to enjoy a meal with your family. Moving forward, near the entrance behind the living room, we have a first master bedroom that you can utilize as your guest bedroom. And as you can see, this is also very spacious. You can place a king size bed, side tables, and still you will have plenty of walkable space. The floor to ceiling height is of 10.5 feet, and as you can see, this is your wardrobe space provided that is inside the wall to give your bedroom a bigger look. Over here is the attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. You also have a dryer space provided in this washroom. Moving forward, this will be your alley area to your other bedrooms that gives your bedrooms full privacy. Over here, we have the common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Opposite to the common washroom, we have a kitchen where you will get 2 parallel platforms and plenty of walkable space is available in the kitchen. You can customize your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets. You will also get full French windows with a dryer balcony in the kitchen. And over here, as you can see, you have plenty of space provided to place your refrigerator, and you can easily place a double door fridge. Moving forward, beside the kitchen, we have a common bedroom where you can place your king size bed. You can also make this your kids' bedroom, customize your wardrobe. As you can see, this bedroom is very spacious. You can also make this your study. And over here, we have half French windows with a glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing, including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the biggest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter in this master bedroom, you will get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. At the entrance to the left, we have a wardrobe space provided that is very spacious, and you can also build lofts. Over here, you can place your king and queen size bed along with the side tables. You can also customize your makeup corner or your study corner, as this bedroom is very spacious. Over here, you will also get half French windows with a glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Right over here, we have the attached washroom that is also very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 3 BHK tour of Rainbow Life. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. At last, I have one question for you. You have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos, and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Rainbow Life by Siddhi Lora, located in Kharghar.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.